Ever had your little one ask you a ton of questions about how satellite, drones, or even airplane works? Well, we've got all the answers to quench their curiosity. Welcome to AeroBay. It's a complete experiential learning ecosystem that gives us solid foundations to your child to solve real-world problems in order to improve their academic performance and build a successful future. Get future ready with STEAM-based, that is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics-based experiential learning. It takes interdisciplinary approach towards learning to remove all the traditional barriers, and you can be anything you want, be it a scientist or historian. Just by using experiential learning and STEM-based education, a student will have a chance to become part of our innovation economy by having necessary 21st century skills. What's more, a little one can get their hands on by building this super cool gadget and amazing industrial grade product completely from scratch. Let's say your child wants to design a car, an engine, or even a spacesuit. A STEM educator first starts off by helping these children design using design thinking principle by keeping all the technical features in mind. Then they move on to creating a design on the paper, which later can be fed into very easy but effective software which can actually help them finalize the final product. While our program is designed to help students learn important skills such as problem solving, creativity and innovation, analytical thinking, logical reasoning, they are also designed by keeping in mind the future job market and career demand that our children must meet while stepping into the real world. But that's not it. We also make sure our learner get enough learning opportunities and exposure in form of national international competitions, blockchain-based certifications, industrial and career exposure. If you're wondering how you can get enrolled with our course, it's simple. Head on to www.aerobay.in and sign up for a free demo with our expert and we'll take care of the rest. If you're an educational institute thinking of bringing NASA to your school, we got you. Reach out to us to understand our offerings and teaching methodologies and let our experts take over, turning your school into NASA-like workstation for your students. Do you know, with 15 lakh engineers graduating every year in India, only 2.5 lakh are able to get the job in their respective domain. And that's not it. Only 2 to 3% of the students actually look for the jobs in creativity domain. Why? Because children don't know how to apply what they have learned. But AeroBay is here to help children get hands-on learning that sets them apart from the crowd right from their age. Are you or your little ones ready to join us in the journey of this upskill? Because we have already taken off with these little young ones.